talk about the story 4. Here what we need to do, we need to create a choropleth map of the sum of the confirmed cases by Phipps County Code. So how would you do that? Double click on that. When you double click on the Phipps, it will automatically pass on the longitude, latitude, okay, and generate the choropleth map. On the right side, it is showing the details of the country, province, and Phipps. Now it is showing filter by month and year with the default value of 12/20/20. So we will pick up the date, add into the filter, go to month and year, and then choose December this. Okay. So it will filter the data only for December. Okay. Now show the filter on your visualization as a single value slider. So you can click here, show filter. If you come on this side, right, click on this because we want to show single slider, it will come like this. Okay. And after that, color your visualization by some of the confirmed cases. How would you do that? You will click on this and drop onto the color option. So it will fill the colors, right? For the confirmed cases. Add the UID field to the tooltip. Right now in the tooltip, it is showing country name, Phipps, province, state, and confirmed cases. We need to add the UID. So I will pick it up from here, drop onto the tooltip. Now you can see it is also showing the UID. So what is the next step? Change the style of the background map layer to dark. Right click here, background layer. You can change it to the dark. Okay. So it will come like this. So you can make a changes you want. You can play more if you want. And then now make sure include all 4 views in your story and appropriate caption for each story point before saving your workbook. Okay. So this is you need to do. How would you do that? Before that, we can like rename over every sheet name. So what it was showing? It was showing the confirmed cases. Based on '20 most counties, right? And second sheet is also showing the line chart. We can copy the story point from here. This is a line graph of the change in the confirmed cases, right? So we can copy this and paste it here. After that, the third is this is a highlight table. Highlight table of the 20 counties with the most cases. This is our third sheet. And this is the choropleth map. Some of the by Phipps county. So now we are going to create a story. Click here. You can see this is confirmed cases. We will do this. And we will again add the first story point here, bar graph of the confirmed cases by location. You can give the tile name, this one here, right? Create on blank, drag and drop it here. And then this is line by year or month. We can name it, double click, and write month. After that, the next blank, drag this here, drop, and then highlight of the with the most cases. This is our next caption. Here we go. After that, we have a choropleth map, right? So it is showing confirmed by Phipps County. This we will copy, paste it here, right? So this has become your story. Now you can save it. Save the W workbook, right? I will give it a name with the mock belt solution video, right? We will save it. Okay. And now again, I will repeat this. If you want to save the first, right, you need to select that option. Okay. Whatever you have selected the caption here, that will be saved and become the default story page when you will save it at public place, right? So now, what is the next thing? If we go back here on the W here, you can click on the settings here, not this one. Here we go, where the setting has, we will click. Yes. So here the setting will come. Okay. So you can make it visualize if you want. If you think this is very good for your portfolio, I will make it invisible. If you want to show the sheet's name, then you can keep it on. Otherwise, you can keep it off if you don't want to show these sheets name. Allow access fees, you can let download by the other and make a copy. Okay. So these are the options. This was the all about the solution notebooks. Okay. And in your submission requirement, all of your files should be saved in private GitHub repository with your first name and belt exam mock. And make sure your Jupyter notebook has all three sections, including your W workbook link. Okay. If you remember, we discussed it yesterday as well, how you can share the link. Here is a share button. Okay. Then you can copy this link and share it. Okay. And this is the one, and you need to submit the single zip file. Okay. So I will stop recording, stop sharing. This was the all about your mock belt exam. If you have any question, please feel free to ping on the Discord, and we can also discuss tomorrow in the office overworks. Good luck. Thank you.